Making an egg dimple. We need some paper, crayons, scissors, and tape. I got my paper. I got my circle. I'm going to turn the circle into the yolk. Now I'm done. Now I need to tape it. Now once you're done, you need to cut a slit in it. Now once you're done, you do something like that and tape it. Now you cut a circle in your egg shape. Now when you're done, you tape it. Now once you did that, you're done. That's hard. Bye.